Welcome to my channel. My name is Ayanna, or you can call me Burns. For those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is going to be based on the new Fenty True Matte Primer, and we'll basically be using everything Fenty today because I'm, big Rihanna fan. So I actually have the original primer in the soft matte. I don't know if you can see that properly, but in the soft matte I have the original primer, but today's video is going to be based on the true matte mattifying primer. The packaging looked the same to me. The box is the same very exclusive Fenty design on the box. So this is both packages. This is the original primer and this is the true matte primer. So that's both of them here next to each other. They are basically, no, the new one is 30 ml and the old one is 32 ml. So you got an extra 32, you got an extra 2 mLs and or 0.18 fluid ounce extra. So we're gonna put the old one aside and we're gonna use the new one today. So pretty excited. So let's read the claims about this primer. So it is said that I'm on the company website. Okay. So this primer is said to be oil-free formula, shine-stopping, pulp diffusing finish. It extended the makeup wear. It gave you a mattifying look for combination to oily skin. What else? It's the same consistency as the original, same lightweight, cushiony texture that the fans love for the original primer. And the Pro Filt'r mattifying primer takes anti-shine to the next level, giving skin the ultimate fresh, clean slate for your Fenty face. Okay, let's hop right into this. I'm pretty excited about this because Lord know your girl be, oh, let's shake it up a bit, be on the hunt for primer. Okay, still feels the same. Let's get some more. Let's put a lot. Oh my, whew. Oh my gosh, the smell is still the same. Okay, pretty excited. Okay, let's go ahead and put that aside. So I'm gonna be using my Fenty shade right now. I'm 420. Don't know if you can see that. 420. And I actually have about 4 different Fenty shade for each season. You get a little darker. So this is my lightest shade for right now. So if I got one that go on holidays or spend more time in the summer, I can be 430 or 440 and also have 445. Major Fenty fan over here. And from now on, one more tip, I would also be start using leaving my foundation names that I use in the bottom in my description, so if anyone who is similar to me, you can relate. So let's go ahead and get this on the face. Let's get a lot of the foundation on. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Sonna Casher brush, blending sponge. Why did I say the brush? The sponge. Oh, this is soft. Okay. Okay, this is already looking good. Okay, first impression, my first pointer on this feels good. My makeup already looking matte because the previous one I always get a little shine, but this feels good already. Let's add some more foundation. Not that much. Let's go ahead and read. Oh my gosh, I really do hate living in New York sometimes because that noise I deal with this guy and this chainsaw is annoying, but let's try and speak over the noise. Okay, so I think that's it. We have finished blending, so let's go ahead and put on the concealer. I will not be doing a full beat face today because we're just wearing this. Guys, look at this. Okay, look at this. Flawless to the touch. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Forgot how much I really love this Fenty Beauty foundation. So we're gonna go ahead and follow up with the Fenty Instant Retouch Concealer. I also use the shade 420. I don't even know if you guys really seeing this. 420. So let's go ahead and put this on. Okay, let's go ahead and add some of the concealer under my eye. I'm not a big I'm not a makeup artist, guys. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not a big fan on the highlighters. So let's go ahead and let's blend that out. Okay, and we're gonna use this Wet n Wild sponge and blend that out. Okay, blend. And oh, this is looking very flawless at the moment. Okay, so I think that's it. That should do it. And let's go ahead, and I'm gonna use in my highlighting powder, honey, to highlight under my eyes. Go ahead and just use this sponge and add the highlighting powder. Okay, and there we go. Okay, and I do not bake. I just highlight under my eyes and just go ahead and get rid of the powder. So we just set in the concealer. Okay, this is gonna be a quick video. And let's go ahead and add some of the Fenty what is this? This is Coco Naughty, the blush, the Fenty blush. So let's go ahead and add some of that. Okay, just using a regular arch blush and just get some of that on the face. Let's get some of that on the face. Just add some of the bronzer on the. I am not big on contouring. Yeah, I'm still learning that. My contouring is still coming jacked up. So I don't even bother. Sometimes I just use my blush to just use it as a contour. let's just go ahead and contour down at the bridge of my nose with the Coco Naughty, Fenty Coco Naughty. And down at the bridge of my nose. And as my face feel heavenly. Okay, let's go ahead and use the Killawatt Ginger Binge and Macao Mule highlighter. This is the Fenty highlighter, the Killawatt highlighter that I have. So I would be using Ginger Binge. This is the less shimmer one. And let's just highlight the cheeks. This can also be used as a blush, because Fenty do not have blushes as yet. I'm still waiting for them to bring out the, oh, there we go, yes. Oh yes. Oh. Ooh. I'm waiting for them to still bring out a setting spray, okay? So pretty soon we're gonna be having a full face of Fenty. Let's go ahead and get rid of the setting powder. And let's go ahead and dust off the rest of our face. We're gonna be using our other setting spray in Nutmeg. This is Nutmeg for Fenty, and we're gonna put this all over the face. All over the face. Pretty dusty. Just some above the eyes, since I'm not putting on an eyeshadow. No, we are not adding eyeshadows. So, okay, let's follow up with the, okay, let's follow up quickly with the MAC. I have this MAC Falls Lash Extension Mascara. So let's just quickly apply that. I have a bunch of false lashes, but listen, I'm still learning how to use those. So we will buy mascaras that give us the false lash effect until we can master the falsies, okay? For now, we're sticking with the false lash in the tube. In the tube. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use, I don't know if I should use my Urban Decay or my Morphe controlling mist. Maybe let's use the Morphe. So this is the Morphe continuous mist. Okay, let's see if we don't give it that. Got it all over me. And I don't know what I should follow up with, a gloss, or if I should use one of the Persicle lips. But since it's summer, let's use one of the Persicle lips. I'm going to use Sun Snatch today. Let's use Sun Snatch. If we can get it open. This is orange. Let's go ahead and use this. I don't think I like that. Let's use a different shade, okay? Okay, so I decided to keep pert sun snatch on the lip. And if you have noticed from with these, you do not really need linings. Oh, that look cute. Okay, I think this is the final look. Okay guys, this is the finishing look. This feels amazing. Fenty does it once again. What can Rihanna not do? Okay, what can Rihanna not do? This feels good. It is matte. My foundation, not once have I have to be wiping off sweat off my face, not once. This true matte primer live up to its name. Once again, Rihanna does it, and I love it. Love, 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 love it. You guys can see how excited I am. Yes, this is flawless, y'all. Flawless. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit my notification bell. I'm still new here on Facebook, on YouTube, y'all. So let's get the subscribers up, let's get the viewing up, let's get this journey going. Thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to look out for I have lots of other videos to come along. So those of you, if you never try any Fenty product, if you're oily skin, go out and try this, because listen, I'm still buying a lot of products out there that I, you know, you'd be like, I wish this worked for me. This works. Look at this. And it's comfortable. Everything as Rihanna, the claims for all the Fenty products is true, like skin-like. This is skin to the gods, skin. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you guys next time. Bye.